Hello, everyone! Welcome back to VivaGreenLeaf, where we explore the wonders of natural remedies. Today, I'm excited to share one of my latest discoveries in the world of Ayurveda, the traditional medical system from India. Have you ever heard about CCF tea? This simple yet powerful tea boasts profound healing properties and is commonly referred to as CCF, representing its key ingredients: cumin, coriander, and fennel. Now, let's have a closer look at the health benefits of these unique spices. Cumin, a digestive powerhouse that provides support by stimulating metabolism, controlling gas, relieving congestion, and combating bacteria. Coriander. Beyond enhancing digestion and gas control, coriander also reduces inflammation and excess acidity. It additionally calms muscle spasms and enhances nutrient absorption. Fennel. Known for its sweeter profile, fennel works to relax the digestive tract, prevent intestinal cramping, and proves beneficial in treating irritable bowel syndrome. Beyond the numerous health benefits of these well-known spices, what makes CCF tea so nourishing is the exceptional digestive support, particularly for gas and bloating, while also providing a gentle and subtle detoxification effect. Here are 10 health benefits of CCF tea. 1. Support the digestion. 2. Reduce gas and bloating. 3. Encourages the absorption and assimilation of nutrients. 4. Calms spasm and inflammations in the stomach. 5. Ease nausea and vomiting. 6. Stimulates your appetite. 7. Release the buildup of toxins from the digestive tract. 8. Relieve flu congestion. 9. Cleanse the urinary tract. 10. Stimulates mental clarity. What's CCF tea taste like? CCF tea offers a well-balanced taste profile, including sweetness, bitterness, and pungency with a gentle warming effect. When brewed, is a light and clear tea with a beautiful golden hue. How to make CCF tea? Ingredients: combine equal parts of cumin, coriander, and fennel seeds and store the mixture in a glass jar or pot. Use 1 teaspoon of seeds mix per cup of water. Method: in a small pot, add water and seeds. Bring it to a boil, then reduce to a simmer for 5 minutes. Finally, remove from heat, strain, and enjoy. When is the ideal time to enjoy CCF tea? CCF tea is suitable for daily consumption and is gentle on the system. Drinking a cup of CCF tea before meals can enhance appetite, while post-meal consumption is a delightful tonic to promote balanced digestion and absorption. It's advisable, however, to avoid having this tea before bedtime due to its diuretic nature. CCF tea side effects. CCF tea is often considered gentle and safe for most people. However, it should not be used in high doses. As with any herb or spice, too much of a good thing can create imbalances in the body. However, be mindful. If you are pregnant, taking medication, or suffer from an underlying health condition, always consult your healthcare provider first. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content I shared with you today. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more exciting content about spices and natural remedies. Until next time, stay spicy and stay healthy.